Japanese-style Greek yogurt cheesecake cup is a lighter, healthier cheesecake-style dessert made by using Greek yogurt in place of cream cheese. With the crushed cookies on the bottom and a little blueberry compote on top, the healthy and delicious dessert is made without cooking skills or effort. First, we make the cookie crust. Place Biscoff cookies in a plastic storage bag and crush them. Or you can use a food processor. You can also use graham crackers if you like. In a bowl, mix the crushed cookies and melted butter. Divide the crust mixture into 4 dessert cups and press down. Refrigerate while preparing the yogurt jelly mixture. In a small bowl, soak the gelatin in water for a couple of minutes. Heat the milk in a small pot until just before boiling and add the gelatin mixture and sugar and lemon juice. Mix until the gelatin and sugar dissolves. In a medium bowl, mix the Greek yogurt and the milk mixture until smooth. Divide the mixture in the cups with the crust on the bottom and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Meanwhile, we make the sauce. Mix the blueberries, sugar, and water in a small pot and heat over medium heat. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the blueberries break down and the sauce is slightly thickened. Let cool completely and refrigerate. Right before serving, pour the blueberry sauce over the yogurt jelly. So this so-called cheesecake has no cream cheese in it, but the texture from Greek yogurt makes it creamy like cheesecake. It's lighter and healthier too. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。